I really hope you like drifting, because in this episode, we're going to Driven Luck Circuit. So it was a really cool way to end the weekend. After Riverside Chattanooga, we got up on Sunday. We had already discussed with the family who owns Driven Luck Circuit that we would be coming out to do a bit of a media day, get our cars out there, do some photos, some videos and stuff like that, and kind of scout out for potentially running an event out there. And the track is small, but it's tire wear is like super low. And it's just a really intimate environment because there's no other distractions, there's nothing else going on. So, which it turned out to be perfect. Sam Eigel stuck around with us, took some awesome photos of the cars, did some really cool roller shots on the track. And then also did some rollers as we traveled on to the next destination.
Just to say we're sorry for the black eyes and bleeding lips. When it's hard to forget how many lies we told, or how we grow before I said goodbye. So let's scrape our knees on the playground.
If you haven't had the opportunity to go out to Driven Luck Circuit, I highly recommend it. It's just a beautiful environment, especially for drifting. So really cool to see that this family has put together all their efforts to create a track specifically for drifting. And it's really, really cool. So if you have the opportunity to support them, go check them out. And we also just finished a collaborative steering wheel with Driven Luck Circuit. So if you want to show them some support and help them out, go hit Driven Luck Circuit's website, snag some of their merch, maybe buy a new Grip Royal steering wheel, and we appreciate you guys.